has to be 40 to 1. You can mix it yourself. Instructions time. One, push this to the back. Heard that? 2, put the engine switch on the on position. It's already on. 3, I have to press this bulb here 10 times until it's full. 1, 2, 3. 4. 4, pull out the choke knob on the start, closed position. This one here. Pull. I pulled it out. Now I have to pull this until I hear the engine sputter. Great. That was 5. 6, choke knob in. This one here, can you see it? In. Again, same thing. So you're not gonna hear me when I do this. I'm gonna do this again. Pull this one, and then I'm gonna push this one back this way, and I'm gonna leave it for 60 seconds before I do anything with it. So let's do this.